Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for Roblox. To sign up for Roblox, first of all, download and install the Roblox application on your mobile device and launch it open. From the first interface of Roblox, tap on Create Account. On the next page, type down your birthday information in the first tab. After you choose your birthday, click on Confirm Birthday. Now, enter your username on the next field. Create a username for yourself and then select your gender. After you are done filling the information, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be asked to create a password for your Roblox account. After creating a password, click on Done. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the home page of Roblox. Finish your account setup by following through the instructions at the top. You'll then need to add an email for your account. Tap on Add Email at the top and then enter a valid email address in the text box at the bottom. After you do that, click on Continue and you will need to check your confirmation email that will be sent to you via email inbox. Go ahead and open up your email service provider and you'll receive an email from Roblox. Click on Verify Email. You have now verified your new email. You have also received a free hat. You can claim the hat by tapping on View Item. And there you have it. You have successfully finished signing up for Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.